Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Johnny, you're back. Z, good to see you again. Listen, guys, out of all the idiots I know, you guys are the ones that like that extra hot, spicy shit.
I'm hungry.
We're going to take care of that hunger. Today, I got something special for you. We're going to a place called Heroes and Legends in Lake Forest. Apparently, they have a Nashville hot, spicy chicken sandwich that we got to try, man. You got to sign a waiver, brother.
Got to sign a waiver.
You guys in?
Wait. Last time I signed a waiver for a spicy food.
You quit the channel. But the good news, there's no challenge, man. Eat it as slow as you want. You down to sign your life away and eat some spicy shit that's going to melt you into the pavement you stand on? Let's do it. But first, let's go see Bob, get something to drink, and then let's on to the Spice Kingdom. Heroes and Legends, man. I'm excited about this. Back to the spice. It's been a bit. But Heroes and Legends, I've been there before in a video. You guys might remember. I think the video was called Fat Kids Sunday. I went around and I hit all my favorite appetizers from all the places that I frequent, man. All the places I love. I don't know much about Heroes and Legends. It kind of popped up in my neck of the woods around 2009, I believe. There's two locations. One's in Claremont, which I think is the original one. I've been going to this place for years. I never knew they offered a chicken sandwich so spicy you have to sign a waiver for. It was brought to my attention. One of you guys, one of the subscribers, you guys left a comment or sent me an email and said, come on out to Claremont and eat this sandwich. Fortunately, I was never really able to. It wasn't long after that I broke my wrist and COVID and all that nonsense. So we didn't keep it local, man. But I do thank you guys for bringing this place to my attention. Like many of the other spots I visit. Super fun to have Johnny back, man. He's on the FC9. Let's see if we can get a wheelie out of Johnny. Nice. Welcome back. This is what we're dealing with right now. Smell antifreeze. What up, Bob? Look at this. Tag me, follow me. Tribuco Bob. Anything under his cock? Oh, sit under his cock. Rebecca, senior design consultant. Rebecca's spamming Bob all up. Oh. Lake Forest Tire and Brake. I need some tires soon for the truck. Sub, do you love watching your vids? Especially Kleb jumping in the bushes. You folks always seem to have the most fun together. Wish I had more friends to ride with. I came down from San Francisco just to visit Bob. Enjoy some soda on me. Cheers. Thanks, Nate. Appreciate it. I am afraid that... What's up, Jake? You like spicy chicken?
I like spicy chicken.
You want to come with us to lunch?
Sure, why not?
Nate, appreciate it. If you'd left money, somebody got it. Someone beat me to it. Well, Cal, I do need some tires. Send me an email, man. Let's work something out. Is this the soda pops you've been looking for?
It's not the exact one, but it's the same people.
Victorian lemonade?
Victorian lemonade. It's got chunks in it.
I'm going to try that.
Green River.
I'm feeling orange today.
Orange soda.
Man, it's night and day not having to push start this thing. It's nice. It's the way a bike should operate. See if Jake can beat me to the other side of this intersection. Jake! Alright. I win. Hot ass day to be in a sweatshirt. Good job, dickhead. no parking. Heroes and Legends. All right.
Yeah, instantly it just burns.
Here we go.
You animal. Oh. Right?
Woo! Yeah, spicy.
Yeah, a few bites in and I'm crying and it hurts a lot all over my mouth. And it's the real deal. It's actually really spicy.
I thought the waiver was a gimmick. There's no joke. I'd say probably, I did a little bit of research. I tried to find out what the Scoville level of this thing is. Couldn't really find it. But I would say 3 to 5 million.
Damn, on the dot.
3 to 5 million.
That's your last bite?
Yeah. Cheers.
Johnny, what's going on, dog?
I'm really feeling sick, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Good job, Z. You holding up? All right, Johnny. Would you rather eat the tube of terror or this?
It's so good, but it hurts so bad.
You gonna be able to make it? You gonna finish that bitch?
You gonna be able to make it home?
Oh, dude. Like when you swallow, like when you just feel it.
Heroes and Legends. Nashville hot ass chicken. What'd you think, Johnny?
I didn't do too well.
You took like 3 bites and called it a day.
I ate almost half of it.
I wouldn't say so. How hot was it?
Oh man, it was up there, dude. It was pretty intense. My stomach still hurts like super bad, even though I only ate half of it.
One of the hottest things you've ever eaten?
Yeah, man, it's up there for sure.
Jake, you got level 4 like I did.
Yeah.
How'd you do?
Did okay. Ate about half of it and suffered.
Would you get it again?
I would get the sandwich again, but not level 4.
Level 3?
3 for sure.
I'm on that program. Z, not only did you finish all of your level 5, but you finished half of my level 4.
I just can't let food go to waste, man.
You recently went to Howlin' Ray's in LA. How does this chicken sandwich compare?
Howlin' Ray's, oh my, it was probably the best chicken sandwich, if not the best sandwich I've ever had. This one, it's pretty close.
Really?
Yeah.
I got level 4, man. I could only eat half of it. That was probably the hottest thing I've ever eaten. I liked it. I liked it a lot. I'd come back. I'd order the level 3 with Jake. Let's read off a couple comments from a recent video. These are the comments from Karen thinks I'm up to no good. 380 you dudes commenting. Top comment. All right, who's this first one from?
I'll read it for you.
Yeah.
From Mr. 420D's. Gotta give her a fire wheelie since she's firewalk.
That's the top comment.
Mr. Baker X Derek coming in hot. I bet there's a full-blown Karen HQ out where you live.
That's true, man.
I want to read a comment
Okay.
All right.
from Richard Hansen. It's the last Hansen brother. Need new merch that says it's a ticketable offense.
I'll definitely come up with some new shirts. Maybe those will be included.
Alright, these are pretty short, so I'll throw in a couple more. From Chris Stern. Arms crossed and not having any of it.
She's not. Look at her. She's pissed.
Yeah, Karen's a little upset. From C Low. Was it a ticketable offense?
No.
Question mark.
No, it wasn't. We didn't do anything to provoke Miss Karen.
Alright, from Ed Evil. Oh man, you're never gonna believe this. I got to give Suburban Delinquent a push start, said no one.
That's right. Anyone who wants to push start me, Feel free.
All right, from Jimbo Ninja 9, IDK, if I trust that lady, she looks too much like Carol Baskin.
Oh.
Kind of does.
I never watched that show.
All right, well, that's the comments we're going to read today. Don't forget, leave me a comment, man. I might read yours in the next video.
Probably not, though.
Catch you later.